Hello guys, let's discuss this problem on probability which says ask all the students in your class to write a 3-digit number. Choose any student from the room at random and what is the probability that the number written by her or him is divisible by 3. There is this hint for you. Remember that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. And what do I mean by that? Let's proceed with the table and you will notice that. This table is for all the digits, all the 3 digits number and number divisible by 3. All the 3 digits number will be lying between 100 and 999. So here this range is for 100 to 199, 199 to 299, 299 to 399 and up to so on to 899 to 999. So 3 digit numbers lying between 100 to 199 will be 102. When you sum all the digits of 102, it will give you 3. How? 1 plus 0 plus 2. After summation, this will give you 3. And you know that 3 is divisible by 3. If sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then that number would be divisible by 3. This was the hint for you. Now let's consider another number which is 105. In 105, when you will take the sum of all these digits, this will give you 6. And this is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3, which means 105 is also divisible by 3. Same goes for all these numbers. All these numbers in totality will give you 32 numbers. So in the interval of 100 to 199, there are 32 numbers. In another interval, which is 199 to 299, how many numbers are there which are divisible by 3? You can see here, these are the numbers which are divisible by 3 and this will sum up to 32. And this goes for all the other intervals. So how many numbers are there in the interval of 100 to 999? You can see here there are total of 291 numbers in the interval of 100 to 999 which will be divisible by 3. Now as you need to find out how many numbers are divisible by 3, so for what you'll do, you'll calculate the probability for this. And how you're going to calculate the probability? Probability is number of ways an event can occur divided by total number of ways. And you can see here in the interval of 100 to 999, how many times that event occurred? It occurred 291 times. And how many number of ways are there? There are total of 900 numbers. How? In 1 to 1000, how many number are there? There are 1000 numbers. But which number you are going to eliminate? You are going to eliminate 1000 because 1000 is 4-digit number. And you are also going to eliminate all the 1-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers. So you will be left with total of 900 numbers. So here event occurred 291 times divided by total number of ways. So this will be your probability. I hope there should be no doubt here. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.